The Jaguar F Pace SVR is the execution lead of Jaguar's SUV Go. It gets from 0-62 miles per hour in only 4.3 seconds, and hits 176 miles per hour level out. That puts it on a crash course with quick SUV options. For example, the Porsche Cayenne Turbo and the Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. That execution comes on account of a supercharged V8 acquired from the F-Type SVR sports auto. It produces 550 horsepower and 502 foot of torque. Also, while it isn't exactly as brisk as the previously mentioned rivalry, you can anticipate that it will sound the part because of another game's deplete that weighs 6.6 kilograms, not as much as the standard thing. To enable the SVR to get all its energy to the street, it comes as standard with an electrically worked restricted slip differential, so it'll slide around corners for whatever length of time that you're willing to pay for the elastic. Over that, it likewise gets separated brakes and hardened suspension, while all the auto's frameworks, covering everything from the guiding to the gearbox, have been recalibrated to feel significantly sportier than the standard models. Jaguar F Pace SVR styling. To guarantee the SVR goes on a par with its looks, it gets an exceptional air bundle including new guards, side skirts and spoilers which look awesome, as well as enhance the auto's streamlined features for better fast security. As standard, the SVR accompanies gigantic 21-inch combination wheels. However, in the event that they're not sufficiently huge, an arrangement of 22-inch produced things is on the alternatives list. Jaguar F Pace SVR inside. The SVR feels much sportier than the general F Pace on account of front and back game situants, a one-of-a-kind games guiding, new programmed adapt selector, and a standard arrangement of aluminum pedals. It additionally comes fitted with Jaguar's astounding 10-inch Touch Pro infotainment framework and an auto 4G Wi-Fi for up to 8 gadgets, so you and your travelers can remain associated moving. What hasn't changed is the common sense of the standard F Pace, which implies the SVR will cheerfully convey 4 grown-ups, and has a gigantic 650-liter boot that gives your mutts a ringside seat to appreciate the grand commotion radiated from the quad deplete. Channels jabbing through the SVR's stylized backguard. The Jaguar F Pace SVR will be valued from £74,835 when it goes on special in summer 2018.